Hello and welcome to our channel World of Animals TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We can see this field is full up with big and small animals. We have African wild animals, safari animals and farm animals. We have tiger, we have dog, we have cow, we have zebra, we have reindeer, we have camel, monkey, lion, and there are many other types of animals. So friends, let's start the video. I hope you will like this video. First of all, I take it lion. He is king of jungle, wild animal and safari animal, African, cute and small animal, looking so cute and gorgeous. Here we go, our favorite king of jungle, lion. Next is giraffe. Giraffe is a cute African wild animal and safari animal, looking so gorgeous and awesome. Realistic African giraffe. The color is black and white mixed. Here we go, our favorite and cute small size animal, giraffe. Next is a reindeer. Reindeer is the cute wild animal and safari animal. They have two big horns and looking so cute and adorable. Realistic is small wild animal and safari animal, reindeer.
But the females keep theirs throughout the winter. As mothers, they need to be able to.
Next is a kangaroo. Kangaroo is a cute wild animal and safari animal. Australian famous animal, kangaroo. They are very cute and awesome, looking so gorgeous. Realistic is small size kangaroo. They love their children very much and keep with them. Here we go, kangaroo. Next is leopard. Leopard is the cute African wild animal and safari animal. They are very dangerous and very fast running animal. Their teeth is very sharp. Here we go, yellow and black color mix leopard.
And when they finally materialize, they arrive.
Next is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is the biggest and very dangerous wild animal and safari animal, looking so cute and small size rhinoceros. Realistic and fabulous color. Here we go, rhinoceros, our cute and small size animal, rhinoceros. Next is monkey. Monkey is our cute and fabulous favorite wild animal and safari animal, looking so cute and small size, realistic animal, monkey. Here we go, monkey, our favorite animal. This is camel. Camel is the cute farm animal. They are looking so gorgeous and awesome. They come to help humans a lot of. They can survive in very hot weather. Here we go, camel, a small and very gorgeous animal, camel. Next is giraffe. Giraffe is a cute wild animal and safari animal. He is the biggest wild animal in this planet. They are very brave and very cool animal, giraffe. Here we go, our cute and favorite wild animal, giraffe. This is donkey. Donkey is a cute wild animal, looking so cute and adorable animal. Realistic toys. Here we go, donkey, our favorite animal.
আর গাধাদের ক্রোমোসোম সংখ্যা ৬২টি।
Next is cow. Cow is our favorite farm animal. Looking so gorgeous and awesome, realistic farm animals. Cow. They are very useful and helpful animal for human. Here we go, our favorite and cute farm animal, cow. This is dog. Dog is cute pet animal, looking so gorgeous and awesome. Realistic type animals, toy dog. Our favorite pet animal. They have cute four legs, a cute body shape. Here we go, cute dog. Our last animal is tiger. Tiger is a cute wild animal and safari animal. They are very dangerous but cute and awesome, realistic. Tiger, our favorite animal, tiger. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support us. It takes a lot of pain and effort to make a video all for yourself. Please subscribe to my channel and support us. Please, please, please.